You may think this is funny, but it's very important. You need to look at your urine. Your urine says a lot about your health and your diet, which can help you with your daily nutrition intake. The color of your pee reveals whether you are hydrated enough, what types of food you are eating. A healthy person's urine is typically yellow, almost clear to bright yellow. Your urine is yellow because of urobilins. The wives' tale is true. The darker your urine means you need to hydrate. So start drinking water. If your urine is cloudy, it can mean that you have some phosphate in your urine, which can lead to kidney stones. If your urine is constantly cloudy, it could mean you have an infection. If cloudiness gets worse and you experience burning or urgency, go see a doctor. If your urine is blue-green, it can mean you are changing medication or vitamins. If you are not on medications or taking vitamins, please see a doctor. If your urine is fluorescent yellow or orange, it can mean you have had a lot of vitamin C, carrots, beets, or any food that is orange. Some medications may turn your urine orange too. If your urine is dark orange or brown, it may mean you have bile in your urine. If you haven't taken vitamin C or had orange-colored food, you may want to see a doctor. If your urine is brown, it can reveal that you have had beans or medications. Brown urine can suggest liver problems as well. If your urine is smelly, well, let's be honest, urine doesn't have the best odor, but you can tell when there is a foul smell. Usually, coffee can change the smell of your urine. If you haven't had coffee or asparagus, make an appointment to see the doctor. If your urine is pink or red, it may mean you have had blueberries or any reddish type food. Again, medication may be the reason your urine changes color. It could also mean there is blood in your urine, either from vigorous exercise or due to an infection. If your urine doesn't clear up in 24 hours, go and see a doctor. Who would have thought your urine can say so much? Drink plenty of water, eat right, and pay attention to the color of your urine.